This home combines clean lines, light tones, and wood textures to create a modern, functional interior. Cluttered layouts and furniture confusion are solved with smart choices in furniture, materials, and finishes, all without changing the structure. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. First, the living area. Seating is arranged for comfort and easy movement. Next, the dining area. The table connects naturally to the living and kitchen. Then, the kitchen. Cabinets and counters are organized and practical. Finally, the foyer. The entry leaves a bright and welcoming impression. Now, the whole home feels connected, open, and uncluttered. Each area flows into the next, so living, dining, kitchen, and foyer work together as one complete space. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.